How you guys doing today? My name is Issa. Welcome to Sunnah Aroma Academy. This is lesson 114, which is 1 a.m. Explaining 1 a.m. What is 1 a.m.? I'm sorry, actually 3 a.m. Sorry. Explaining 3 a.m. 3 a.m. is a fragrance by Sean John. 3 a.m. type. I'm just going to say type because it's not the actual 3 a.m. It's a type that smells similar to it by Sean John. Fragrance that is, imitated by Sean John. This is his newest one, if I'm not mistaken. It's the newest one. Very nice fragrance. Very good fragrance. Smells very good. Now, one thing that I like about this fragrance is that when you put 3 a.m. on by Sean John, right? After 2 or 3 minutes, the whole smell completely changes. It completely changes. All right? Now, when it comes to this fragrance here, to make the oils very interesting, try to add, there's some concepts that go along with this. I'm going to explain exactly what I'm talking about. There's a concept to go along with this 3 a.m. So why did Sean John call this fragrance? Why did he call it 3 a.m.? Why did he call this fragrance 3 a.m.? I'm just going to pause and let y'all think about it. And then I'm answering. This fragrance is supposed to entice women. Specifically, I'm going to say wives because I don't want to promote fornication. It's supposed to entice your wife. 3 a.m. 3 a.m. What you doing up at 3 a.m.? What is somebody normally doing up at 3 a.m.? Yeah, exactly. You already know what they're doing at 3 a.m. So what you do is try to use this applicable with the name. Put this fragrance on, for example. Put it on, walk past your wife, right? And have this, walk past. And just let her smell it. Hey, what's up, baby? How you doing? Walk past. She don't smell it, walk past. Stay there. If she don't get it the first time, you walk, hey, baby, how you doing today? How's your day? Everything is all right? Get a little bit closer. Until she smells this fragrance. Actually, if you got some good oil, you shouldn't have to do that. But I know you see the point here. And she said, oh, this smells good. What you wearing? Oh, it's at 3 a.m. right here. 3 a.m.? It's at 3 a.m. And started smiling. And she's like, what that supposed to mean? You know how women are. What that supposed to mean? And so he said, you'll see. Set your alarm for 3 a.m. Set your alarm for 3 a.m. Y'all sleep. Set your alarm for 3 a.m. Wake her up at 3 a.m. Say, hey, baby, it's 3 a.m. I'm wearing it at 3 a.m. Hey, baby, it's 3 a.m. She say, what is that supposed? Why are you waking me up at 3 a.m.? What is so special about 3 a.m.? Remember earlier I was wearing the fragrance 3 a.m. and you asked me, and I gave you certain looks and you said, I'm wearing the 3 a.m. and you said, what does that mean? Well, this is what it means. Let's go. Me and you. What you talking about? You know how women. What you talking about? The flip turn, gymnastics, wrestle, the halal, 3 a.m. Oh boy, you crazy. Yeah, I am crazy, but at the same time, you know what it means. So next time I wear this fragrance, I wear the 3 a.m., you already know what time it is. And your alarm better be set before mine. Because when I wear this fragrance, me and you have an appointment at 3 a.m. Be there or be square. What this is going to do, this is going to bring some excitement into marriage. I keep telling brothers, you got to be smooth. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was very smooth with the ladies, very smooth with his wives, not ladies' wives. One time, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I'm using this both with the fragrance because a lot of times they go hand in hand. He will always smell good around his wives. And one time, Aisha, she said, how much do you love me? Aisha said, she was actually drinking from a cup. He took the cup and exactly where she drank from, he drank from the same place. He said, this is how much. This is how much I love you. Look, that's romantic. Being smooth. All right, you may call it something else, but That's what it is, being romantic. I guarantee she was blushing. I guarantee she smiled. So the same thing, kind of put that type of attitude when it comes to the fragrance, put some spice in the marriage, So use this fragrance, and you can use that same technique. Don't put all of that pride to the side, all that arrogance to the side, and say, you know what, I don't want to listen. I don't want to listen to him because it make it seem like I'm, watching watching his lessons and he's doing something. That hater stuff. Put all that stuff to the side. If it's beneficial, if it works for you, use it. If something isn't beneficial for me, I'm gonna use it. I don't care who it comes from. I don't care what their religion is. I don't care if it comes from a bum off the street. If he tells me something beneficial, I'm gonna take it. Those are the principles I go by. If it's beneficial, I'm gonna take it. There's a lot of ideas that I got from the fragrance, that somebody just pretty much pulled my coattail. And I still use it and I apply it to this day. So don't be afraid to take advice, man. Don't be afraid to use this knowledge to enhance your skills, your applications, your sales with the oils. If it's going to make you more money, why not? So you're going to sit up there and settle for less money because you are concerned what somebody else says? Are you serious? No. If it's advice or something, some techniques that somebody's giving you that can enhance your sales of the oils, take it. Be a man, suck it up, take it. If you got Eastern Sunnah Aroma Lesson 14, which is explanation of 3 a.m. Thank you.